Okay, so I just got back my lens, this one, from being fixed. Here is the stuff that they fixed. Second light shield ring and second group assembly. Let's see if we still have the same noise. Last time I went like this to it, I heard a little loose. I don't hear it anymore, so that's good. Let's test this. So what I did was focus on a white wall, and that's when I heard it. Well, it'd be a good idea to put it on continuous. I'm gonna try all of them, but oh yeah, I don't hear anything anymore. Okay, that's good. Let's put it on just autofocus. Trying to focus on the wall. Yeah, I don't hear anything. One more. Go single autofocus. I don't hear anything. I think it's good, but I'm going to continue testing it, really test it daily pretty much. Maybe a few times a day just in case I hear it again, because I only have a 90-day warranty on this, and I don't want to pay another $500. So I'll keep everybody posted. But I think it's good. I mean, I don't even hear anything when it's focusing anymore. Yeah, I don't hear nothing. All right.